Welcome to today's video about 12 best collagen-rich foods that have impressive anti-aging benefits. Who hasn't dreamed of unlocking the secret to eternal youth or finding a magical elixir that defies the passage of time? While we can't stop the clock, we can wisely make smart choices for our health and beauty. And when we talk about incredible allies, collagen stands out. This vital protein, present in our bodies, plays a pivotal role in maintaining skin elasticity and fortifying tendons and cartilage. However, as we age, its production decreases, resulting in wrinkles and sagging skin. But the good news is that generous nature provides us with a variety of foods rich in this invaluable nutrient. If you want to improve your skin's elasticity, strengthen your joints, or take care of your digestive system, these foods are the secret. Grab your pen and paper because you won't want to miss any of these valuable tips. In this video we'll explore the 12 best collagen-rich foods that have impressive anti-aging benefits. While it's best known for preventing wrinkles, collagen is vital for protecting cells, maintaining healthy joints and muscles, and represents about 30% of the body's proteins. Naturally, our bodies continue to produce collagen throughout our lives. However, as we age, this production tends to decline. Additional factors such as sun exposure, smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, lack of sleep, and a sedentary lifestyle can accelerate this reduction. As we age, the collagen in our skin starts to deteriorate. This can manifest in numerous ways: wrinkles, sagging, stretch marks, cellulite, less flexible tendons and ligaments, weakened muscles, brittle nails and hair, joint pain, cartilage degradation, loss of balance, and even digestive issues. Therefore, a balanced diet and adequate water intake are essential for the body and should be part of your anti-aging regimen. Let's dive into our list of the 12 best collagen-rich foods and make sure to stay tuned until the end. Our last food is an authentic elixir of youth. 1. Gelatin. Synonymous with collagen, gelatin comprises about 90% collagen and is derived from the skins, cartilages, and bones of animals. Low in calories and with a significant collagen content, it's a great choice for dessert lovers looking for light foods that still satisfy their cravings. Importantly, gelatin serves as an apt collagen source for those facing difficulties in swallowing due to dental or jaw complications. 2. Red fruits. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are more than just delicious. They're nutritional treasures bursting with antioxidants, fiber, and essential nutrients. These red fruits are particularly abundant in vitamin C, a vital vitamin that plays a pivotal role in the body's collagen production. 3. Shellfish. Shellfish are champions when it comes to promoting vibrant skin and hair health. Rich in omega-3, these marine delicacies stimulate the production of robust collagen and elastin fibers, resulting in a youthful skin appearance. Beyond giving the skin a radiant look, they aid in reducing blemishes and imparting a lustrous shine to the hair. But the benefits don't stop there. Shellfish nourish hair follicles, fostering growth and mitigating hair loss, all while serving as a generous protein source. 4. Chicken, beef, or turkey bone broth. A true versatile food, bone broth, rich in amino acids and collagen, can be made with leftovers from poultry and fish. Fish broth provides great nutrients for the body. Additionally, it can also serve as a base for other recipes. If you're seeking more type 1 collagen, the type of collagen that plays a significant role in the health of skin, hair, and nails, then beef bone broth is a valid option as it's an excellent source of type 1 collagen. For a deeply flavorful and rich-colored broth, roast the bones until they take on a dark hue, with some parts nearing a burnt appearance. To minimize the fat content, let the broth cool in the refrigerator overnight. 5. Spirulina. You've probably heard of spirulina before, right? This superfood is a microalgae celebrated for its myriad benefits, including muscle mass enhancement, heart disease prevention, and treatment for conditions like diabetes, anemia, and allergic rhinitis. Beyond these benefits, spirulina is abundant in beta-carotene, the substance responsible for the pigment found in fruits and vegetables like carrots. This element plays a crucial role in preserving collagen, which imparts firmness and elasticity to the skin. It also stimulates the production of melanin, contributing to maintaining a radiant tan. Additionally, this algae has potent antioxidant properties that combat free radicals, protecting the skin against premature aging. In today's beauty industry, spirulina has found its way into numerous skincare products, acting as a moisturizer, battling wrinkles and acne, defending the skin from harmful sun rays, and addressing skin discolorations. Not stopping there, spirulina also accelerates healing processes and bestows a radiant glow to both skin and hair. 6. Chicken. Many collagen supplements list chicken as their primary source of amino acids. This is because the cartilage from chicken bones is incredibly rich in proteins, of which 35% is collagen. According to studies, chicken feet, just like beef knuckles, boast a high collagen concentration, making them ideal ingredients to add to soups and other preparations. Another option is to consider consuming chicken with its skin. A 2019 study published in Alternative Therapies in Health and Medicine revealed that middle-aged women, ranging from 39 to 59 years, witnessed noticeable improvements in fine lines, wrinkles, crow's feet, and skin elasticity after ingesting collagen supplements sourced from chicken cartilage. 7. Eggs. Low in calories and high in nutritional value, eggs stand out for their richness in proteins. Moreover, the amino acids abundantly present in this food contribute to the body's collagen production. Ideal for vegetarians seeking a robust protein source, eggs are not only nutritious but also versatile, complementing a range of diets aimed at weight loss or muscle mass enhancement. 8. Aloe vera. Aloe vera, commonly known as aloe or Aloe barbadensis, is a plant widely recognized for its vast array of benefits. This natural wonder boasts properties such as soothing action, healing power, anesthetic effects, combating fever and inflammations. Furthermore, it is an exceptional ally for skin and hair hydration, stimulating collagen production. A study from 2020 published in the Journal of Dermatology underscores this. It found that even small doses of aloe vera can boost collagen in the dermal layer, the skin's middle layer. The research indicates that a daily dose of 40 micrograms of aloe vera not only bolsters the skin's defenses but also elevates its hydration and elasticity. 9. Fish. Collagen is abundantly found in fish, especially concentrated within their skin, bones, and scales. Whether you're sourcing from freshwater or saltwater environments, you can't go wrong. Tilapia, salmon, and sardines stand out not only for their collagen content but also for their easy availability. Incorporating fish into your diet brings an added perk: the inclusion of omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for optimal brain function, particularly in enhancing memory. 10. Oysters. While not a common staple in many diets, oysters pack a nutritional punch with immense health benefits. They're rich in essential minerals including zinc, phosphorus, and potassium, coupled with significant amounts of vitamin B12. Oysters help regulate cholesterol levels and have a notable impact on skin health, boosting collagen production as zinc plays a critical role in collagen synthesis. Consuming them ensures a replenishment of nutrients, enhancing both the quality and firmness of the skin. 11. Shrimp. Shrimp's exoskeleton boasts a high content of chitin, a polysaccharide that accelerates skin healing and blood clotting, and boosts collagen production. Consuming shrimp also delivers a potent dose of B-complex vitamins like B3, B6, and B12, paramount for energy production, red blood cell formation, and ensuring our nervous system operates optimally. 12. Leafy greens. Vibrant green leaves such as spinach, watercress, and kale are brimming with folic acid, a vital nutrient integral for RNA and DNA synthesis. It plays a crucial role in cell replication and protein absorption, which contributes to more efficient absorption of collagen as well as stimulating its production. Integrating these collagen-rich foods into your diet can significantly contribute to healthier and younger-looking skin. Remember, alongside dietary choices, essential practices such as sun protection, adequate sleep, abstaining from smoking, and stress management are cornerstones for maintaining skin health and mitigating aging. Please note that this video is intended for educational purposes only. If you're facing health issues, always consult a medical professional for a comprehensive evaluation and appropriate advice. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button, share this knowledge with loved ones, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful health content. Stay younger than ever. Until next time, goodbye.